Kitten Sis is a crafting and events business that specializes in Dollie Me craft products and events for young girls and their dollies, with a mission to encourage young girls to explore their creativity, confidence, and imagination. Here to chat more are two of the three co-founders, Maddie Pollock and Kate Lally. Kate, Maddie, thank you both so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, we have so much fun things that we have to get to with Kitten Sis. But before our viewers who maybe never heard of Kitten Sis, tell us who you guys are and how you got started, because your story is very interesting.
Yeah, so we are childhood best friends. We met in preschool, so we've been friends quite a while. We used to love crafting and playing with dolls when we were younger, and we noticed that children that we babysat had an interest in it as well, and their parents were like, can you teach them some crafts? And from there kind of turned into the business that we have today.
Amazing. And so what is Kitten Sis? What does this entire business embody?
Yeah, definitely. Well, Kitten Sis was inspired out of our childhood passion for dollies and crafting. So we started our business at 13 years old, really with a mission to give kids a resource to explore their creativity and imagination through hands-on crafting.
Amazing. So it sounds like we're going to be doing a little bit of crafting today. We'll go through some of the stuff that you guys brought with you.
Definitely.
But before we get to the products that you brought, there's a big holiday tea party that you're throwing.
Yes.
Tell us about the holiday tea party.
Yeah, so this is our third year collaborating with the Westin St. Francis Hotel for their Dollie and Me holiday tea. It's a fabulous event on December 16th and 17th, and kids and families get to come and bring their dollies for a tea event and then also a crafting event, and it's just an incredible experience.
Yay, and crafting is just so much fun. Arts, crafts, that's something we've all loved to do, right? Growing up. So amazing that you guys have now turned that into a business. Let's go through some of the products that you brought with you to today.
Definitely. So we sell subscription craft kits, which are awesome. They come to your doorstep every 3 months. It makes it really easy. The box shows up at your doorstep with all the crafts, a manual with written instructions, and then video tutorials as well, so that the kids can do the crafts on their own. And so we have our new holiday box that just hit the website yesterday, and it's a part of our Black Friday sale going on. And then we also sell single crafts, which are a great 5 to 10 minute craft. They make a great stocking stuffer, activity to do at the dinner table, birthday party activity. So yeah, a whole variety for any level of crafting for kids.
It sounds like it. So Kate, I want to throw this one to you. So you guys just do pretty much any kind of event, right? What type of events can people expect if they want to come to you guys, Kitten Sis?
Yes, so as Maddie was mentioning, we have our holiday tea event where it's half kind of like a tea party, and then for the second half of the event, we take the children and we do lots of crafts, all holiday themed. We have lots of different other types of events. We've done lots of virtual events. We host summer camp in the summer. Pretty much a whole broad spectrum of different
parties,
birthday
all
parties.
that.
I was going to say, so it sounds like just about anything, any event that you guys can think of. That's amazing. And, you know, when it comes to these special services, why was it important for the three of you? Because we are missing the twin sister as well. Why was it important for the three of you to come up together with this idea to help empower young girls, especially with their creativity and imagination?
Yeah, definitely. Well, it's, you know, it was founded out of our childhood love of Dollie and Me crafting, and it brought us so much joy and creativity as young kids. And we want to be able to share that with this current generation of children.
Yeah, and you're doing that now, and we're so grateful because a lot of creativity going on here. But when it comes to specifically how you guys have done this now, it's been about 8 years, right? 8 or 9 years now. What has changed over the years? What have you guys learned about the company and yourselves?
We've learned a lot. I mean, we started out when we were 13. We didn't know a lot about business. We kind of just had our passion and wanted to share it. But as we've grown, we've learned a lot about, you know, running a business and just doing that ourselves and bootstrapping and trudging along. So it's a big learning curve and process along the way.
And what has maybe been the response from the children that you've seen, the young girls, I'm sure even the young boys that you've seen kind of get involved in some of this creativity? What has been that response from the youngins?
It's been an incredible response. We started in the event space and moved into the product space really as a response to what our customers wanted, and being able to provide more creative outlets for kids because they love the crafts. They love the way that their crafts, you know, were able to come straight from the crafting table into playtime with their dollies, their stuffed animals. And so that really inspired our products and then our events that we do on a larger scale now.
And you mentioned the products. You mentioned the Dollie and Me, something that you guys kind of had to shift gears towards because you learned that, okay, this is what our clientele really loves. Tell me more about the Dollie and Me and that kind of partnership there.
Yeah, so the idea is all the crafts you make are the perfect size to play with your dolly or your stuffed animal. So in our holiday box, you're making a dolly-sized gingerbread house, a tree. You can make dolly-sized sunglasses. So the idea is what you're crafting and creating translates right into playtime and inspires a more fun playtime.
Amazing. And Another one that I want to ask you guys, when people do come to you and they want you to either throw an event or they subscribe to these subscription boxes, what is the one thing that you want your customers to really take away from this experience?
Yeah, I think just the hands-on crafting and motor skills that come with doing the crafts. A lot of kids today love technology, and technology is awesome, but we feel that the crafting and mobility aspect of being hands-on with it is kind of getting lost. So really honing in on that skill that kids are missing out on today.
Definitely.
And there are a lot of holidays coming up.
Yes.
So what can people expect from you guys this holiday season?
Exactly. So we've got our holiday box that just launched this week. All of our products are on sale on our website and on sale for Black Friday. And then we have our holiday event at the Westin coming up in a few weeks.
And can people participate in the holiday tea event?
Yes, so you can buy tickets on our website at kittensis.com.
Awesome. So what is next for all three of you?
Yes.
I can't believe you guys have been doing this since you were 13, but what's next?
You know what? We're trying to figure that out right now. We are loving our product line. That's been such a huge success, and our events at the Westin. So just continuing to share the creativity of Dollie Me Crafting with our fans.
Wonderful. Well, Maddie, Kate, thank you both so much for joining us today. It was just an absolute pleasure.
Thank you for having us.